I'll tell you what. Today! Alrighty! Me and Carlito, we're gonna go for a young fish mish because the week, well, I guess the weekend mish wasn't really a fail. It was great. Ravdog got an absolute banger, absolute big dog sprat. So I mean, you know, can't really complain. But I'm gonna go out on the big dog today. Bit of this, bit of that. I'll you see old Ravdog for you. Oh, I'll probably put these in the car first day and then put them in the boat afterwards. So bounce around and shit. Getting all the shit ready. We're trying to make a little hook that we can hook onto the mussel farms with. But I'm got a rope, just bend this little piece of metal to try and make that work. But I'm fucking frothing out, I don't know about you. But the reds are fucking cooling and they're tasting really, really good right now. So it's gonna be hard to stay off them. It's quite hard to say no. Oh, so good. So good. You beauty. Alright, anyway. I'm gonna get me chili, whack it in there, and I'll update you till when we get the fuck out of here. You just kind of sit here, and you gotta do it. You gotta do this, because it's one thing that I'm real good at not doing. And it's just before you're about to leave, you just sit here and you just stare at shit. You stare at shit and you think about what you need. I guarantee you, there's almost every single fucking time I've gone out, I've been so close to fucking losing something or forgetting something, or I have forgotten something. So just stand here, observe everything, make sure. Like we came around the boat, we're like, oh fuck, we need a strap. That's right, put a strap on it. And then I came around here and strapped that up, and I was like, oh, hold on, wait a minute. Might need one of those, my brother. And he was like, oh, that's on the kitchen bench. Like, oh, risky. So just another quick reminder, always just fucking go around your whole vessel. Reminder, you gotta remember, you gotta, I can't even speak. Just go around the whole vessel, keep looking at shit. You shouldn't forget stuff. Got all the rods, got some bait, got everything else, let's go. Yo, I was just telling them, like, you should always go, like, look at your shit before you go out. So you should almost just stand there and just look at everything and just think, like, what the fuck would I need, what do I need, There's something will probably here.
Probably do need to think else.
Oh yeah, we got chips, bait, I don't know, a lot. I'll tell you, we'll fucking, when we get there, I guess. So gassy, is it? It's a pretty cool little Suzuki gas, isn't it?
Oh, reliable,
It's a Suzuki gassy, it's pretty gangster cars, okay. Alright, so we're just gonna go to the fish shop over there, get some bait and some burley. And he's ordered $10 chips as well. But I'm pretty fucking keen now. Absolutely frothing. I don't know about you. I don't know. Yeah, I'd probably, I don't know, 95 I guess. I don't know, it's pretty good. I don't know. I'd use the nicer stuff for it. I'm sure, like, unleaded it'll be fucking...
Yes, you
absolutely can. Oh, absolutely. You put your oil in there yet, or?
What how many liters I put in?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Alrighty, well, we're going to fill this bitch up and then mix it up. And then we should be absolutely on. Just got a bait, no burley. Had to fucking get it out, gonna have to. Good Carlos's now, but yeah, anyone comes here, have to come to the shop here. Always got good bait, good fucking prices too. Absolute good cunt in there too. Good people, mate. Gotta come support the locals. Yeah, he's still there, man. Okay, I think he's gonna get his chips. I got the bait. So he should be absolutely on, cousin. Look at him! Look at him! Woo! Loaded! Absolutely!
Drink.
Abso-fucking-lutely. What?
You drink.
What about, oh, what? Oh, my drink. Oh, funny. Is this water okay, or?
Radiator water, but it's closed, so it might be right.
Took the bro out there, reckons it's a bit slow, but I reckon me and Ravdog and good old Carly dog and get slayed up, you know. Just come both in water, get untie it, and then I'm gonna park this bitch up, and then we should be on. I'll tell you, alright, yeah, so we decided to come to the fucking boat ramp. I don't know if I said that, but we're gonna send it. Do we have a knife?
Yep.
Sweet, I was gonna say absolutely not. So we're just gonna get this bitch all ready to go, start her up, warm her up, and then get the fuck out of here. Oh shit, yeah. Oh, we're on. Oh, we're on. We see wheelies, alright? Yeah, yo. Oh, shit, yeah, donkey. Oh, we're on. Oh, fuck, we're on. Oh, we're on. Oh, we're fucking on, donkey. We're all set up now. Beer in hand, 2 rods in water. Well, 3 rods including hers. Let's fucking go. Sit here and simmer, baby. Give it over the first spot. Where are we going now? There? We're gonna go that way. And then that's where the fish are, so we know this. So we can go over there. Go slam up over there. Monday, I'm on. I got 58%, mate. Monday. Oh. Okay. 021 to 500. No, I'm just kidding. Mum's number.
Carry on.
Nah, I'm trying. Yeah. Fish is still on? Fish on. Fish is on. Fish is on. Oh, fucking 2 hours later, first fish is on. I'm gonna get out of your way, mate. I'll get out of your way, mate. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Does it feel alright or is it just... Feels alright. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on. Take it easy with him. Oh, that could be legal. It could be 28. It could be 28. Yeah, but surely she's just 28. Surely.
Fuck yeah.
Surely. I got faith in that. I got faith in that being enough, G. We got lunch. We on. I reckon that's 28. I reckon that's 28. That looks about right. It looks pretty small, but fuck, I reckon it's gonna be like right on the threshold, eh? Woo-hoo! One in the bag, brothers. One in the bag, brothers. Woo! Alrighty, second fish in the boat, baby.
You're at the beat range.
Two in the bag, mate. Two in the fucking bag. Alright, I'll turn the camera around. Hold on. Getting back now. Croydon's gonna meet us there with some fucking hot ones, so ultra mega keen, But it's two in the bag. That's fucking fish, mate. I tell you what, we're gonna be eating fucking something tonight. So exactly what we had this morning. I'll update you when we get the fuck back there. That timing. Look at that timing. Hot ones right there. How good. How good. That's pretty good. That was actually fucking mean timing. Yeah, straight up. Right there, right there. Oh, where is he? Come back out of that bush. Come back out of that bush. Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. He's our friend. That's where you thought he was parked there.
Yeah. Yo, that's right. I kind of didn't think it was that vehicle for fucking ages, mate. Yeah. No, everyone hates us. Alrighty, we're gonna go fucking catch this. Yay! I got my boot absolutely drenched, but it's okay. It's okay. Anyway, good old Corridor boys here, so I'll update ya. Alrighty, we just parked up. Look at this. Look at that. Hey, you like that? Hey. Alright. How good. How good. How good. Alrighty, so we're gonna pack up here, have a couple fucking hot ones, and then I'll update you on what we do. We on, baby. It's a nice fucking rig, cuz. Rigged up. Alrighty, we just finished up, having some hot ones. Gonna go home. Look at this. Hey, you fucking like that, cousin? Hey, I like that, cousin. Alrighty, back home. Start this beast up. Oh. Yeah. Good girl. waste a red, mate. You never waste a
I
red.
thought you were going to. I was moving on here since we were driving home. Fucking better. Hey.
I finished it. That was
The flat. Flat.
absolute chili.
Yeah.
Right, well, they're not bad fillets, eh? Not bad. Didn't butcher them too bad. A lot of meat saved. Probably could have done like a little Ravdog tutorial on how I do it, but pretty sure it's the exact same way everyone else does. You don't know. Just gonna clean up a bit. Hopefully find some hot ones. Calm down, kitty. Calm down. And then I'll update you on when I'm on my home or fucking what the actual gonna be on the onlines, cuz. This cat goes hard, by the way. Anyway,
He just ate some mints, little fuck.
cat rips though. Yeah, I don't know. I'll update you later.